Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Marshall Usenge, and in today's video we're going to cook. Of course, we're going to prepare a liver, that is my knee, and yeah, I'm going to boil and then add salt, and then now we're going to continue.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you, I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine.
And just like that, our food is ready. So guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't, like on the video and share with your friend. And yeah, we'll be doing more of this kind of a video, very short video, and with a simple recipe. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.